Hello and welcome to today's video. So today's video is looking at a junior cycle technology project and how we might use different mechanisms to get some motion in the project. Now this is going to be a two-part series. This is just going to be a short video looking at the three different examples that I've modeled. I've modeled one with bevel gears, one with normal spur gears, and one with a worm and worm wheel. What I'm going to do in the second video is I'm going to showcase how you can very easily get these mechanisms and drop them into your project. So if you, the student, are modeling a junior cycle project or Leaving Cert project, you'll be able to get the motion working very, very easily. And that is often the hardest parts of these projects, is when you have moving parts. So that's the goal. So today I'm just going to take a quick look at these three examples that I've done. So this first example is obviously using bevel gears, and if we take a look, we can see that the stem of the bridge, or the shaft here, is connected onto this bevel gear, and that would all be 3D printed as one part. And this gear over here on the motor, that gear is also going to be 3D printed. So we know that they're going to link up together, they're going to work, everything's going to be in the right position. So it takes a lot of the hassle out of it. So that's the first example. So I've just pulled up the second example here, and on the second example you can see that we have a worm and worm wheel. So if we just rotate this around and maybe look in at it a little bit, we can see we have the worm and worm wheel mechanism there, and that's opening and closing our bridge. Again, the worm gear and this normal spur gear are going to be 3D printed, and the spur gear here, which is linking up with the worm gear, is designed in such a way that it is all 3D printed as one part. And again, there's huge advantages to that. We know that that they're going to be the right size, they're going to mesh correctly with each other, and when we 3D print the bracket also, we know that everything is going to fit. So that's our second mechanism. So this here then is our final example. So this example uses just standard spur gears, and there's a little bracket holding them, and again the gears and the mechanism in general is going to be 3D printed. Same project, just three different mechanisms on how you might approach getting the movement into the project. As you can see, in all cases the gears are going from, they're reducing the speed. So you're going from a small gear to a big gear here. Same with the bevel gears, and the worm and worm wheel is automatically reducing the rotation speed and increasing torque. So as I said, this video is just a very short video. Just wanted to showcase how you might use the one project and maybe incorporate three different examples of how to get the different types of motion. In the next video, I'm going to detail how students can insert those mechanisms, but most importantly, how they can modify and adapt those mechanisms to suit the needs of their individual projects. So that's what's going to be coming next.